Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on your school iPad. School-issued devices frequently have pre-installed restrictions, which make accessing certain applications and websites quite challenging. Understanding these specific limitations is crucial before you attempt any potential workarounds. We will carefully go over a few common methods people have tried, along with important considerations for each. School networks usually employ advanced content filters, blocking entire categories of websites and applications, including many gaming platforms. Attempting to use virtual private networks, or VPN, is often ineffective, as school IT departments frequently block or actively monitor these services. These security protocols are primarily in place to ensure a safe, distraction-free, and focused learning environment for everyone using the school's resources. One common approach involves attempting to access Roblox directly through a web browser on your iPad. Occasionally, certain school firewalls might overlook specific browser configurations or even less common proxy websites. You could try different web browsers beyond the default Safari or experiment with incognito modes as a preliminary test. However, success with this method is often quite limited due to robust filtering. A more advanced method involves remote streaming solutions, where the game actually runs on a different, unrestricted computer and is then streamed to your iPad. This typically requires a robust internet connection and access to that separate computer. Some users explore cloud gaming services, like NVIDIA GeForce Now, which might occasionally bypass specific app blocks if the streaming service itself is not restricted by your school's network policies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.